everyone, welcome to Learn Spanish with Dummy. So today we're going to learn about the verb be, which is very important. And in Spanish we have two be. One is ser and one is estar. Okay. In English we just had one. It was easy, but in Spanish two be, right? And we need to know when to use them. So often we are confused at the same time. So we can see them in detail when we can use them. All right. So let's go ahead. All right. So let's have a small overview of the verb be. So be, if you see them like I am, are, is, are, they all are the conjugation of the be verb. It means from the be, these all are coming, okay? They all are like a transformation of be for the present tense, right? So similarly, we have here ser and estar, right? Ser is also be, estar is also be, right? And these are their transformations. It's like equal to this one. Okay, just when I say I am, yo soy is also I am, yo estoy is also I am. But this is for ser verb because it's coming from ser, and estoy is from estar verb, okay, because it's just below estar, okay. So let's see them because we're going to use all of this thing, okay. I am, yo soy, yo estoy. You are, tú eres, tú estás. He, she, you, is or are would be él, ella, usted es, él, ella, usted está. Okay, es and está. We are, nosotros somos. Nosotros somos also means we are. Nosotros estamos also means we are, right? The difference, somos means we are for the ser verb. Estamos is we are for the estar verb. When you use estar, right? You all, vosotros sois for this, and vosotros estáis for this, okay. They and you all are, this you all is a formal one, this one was informal. Ellos, ustedes son, and for this están, okay. Now you just need to mug it up, okay. They are equivalent to this, okay. They have been colored so you can just see, and this is something you need to remember. You need to mug it up, okay, both of them, because we have to use it. It's very useful. You use it all the time in the communication. All right, so go them, and let's go ahead. Alright, now we're going to see in brief the verb ser, when we're going to use it. Like we know ser is be, right? So ser is used in the permanent situations. Like permanent situations could be an identity, like I'm a boy, I'm a girl. That's permanent, right? It can't be changed. Profession. Whenever you talk about profession, like I'm doctor, engineer, we consider it within a permanent, okay? And we use ser verb. Character, like he's bad, he's good, and like that, okay. It's a permanent. Physical appearance, he is handsome and he is ugly, don't exist in my dictionary, but yes, for any physical appearance we use this. Facts, right? Fact is also permanent, right? We use it like Neil Armstrong is the first person to climb Mount Everest. No, I'm sorry, to go to the, I think, moon. So it's a fact. So Neil Armstrong is. Here in is you need to use the ser form. All right. So let's start in the practical situation. So when I say I'm a boy, it's an identity. I am. So we need am here, right? So I'm saying yo soy un chico. Yo soy un chico. So from where soy came? Soy is am for the ser verb, right? Like if we go back here, see, I am, soy. Yo soy means I am for the ser verb. Now we are just using the ser verb, so we will use all of this thing, okay? Yo soy means I am. Are you a doctor? That's a profession, so eres un médico. Eres means are you, okay? Un médico. Now eres from where it came. See, we've here, you are, tú eres, right? Eres means are. And in Spanish, we don't need to put pronouns, right? So two things I'm not putting the pronoun here. It's not necessary. But you can omit the CO also if you want. Okay, third, penguin is a bird. Now it's a fact, right? So here in the place of is, we will use the ser form. So penguin, penguino es un ave. Penguino es un ave. Es, right? Came from where? The third person conjugation of verb ser. That's for he, she, you, and any person like penguin. Okay, él, ella, usted es. For the ser verb, es is. Okay, is s. Now we are wise. Okay, so that's a character, right? Somos sabios. Somos means we are. Okay, now somos, from where it came. Here we are, nosotros somos, for the verb ser. So one thing you need to know, we're just going to use this form. Okay, soy, eres, es, because we are talking about the ser verb. Okay, you don't need to think about this one, just this one. Somos means we are. So we are wise, somos sabios. Perfect. Are you all students? That's an identity. So sois estudiantes. Sois estudiantes. Now again we are using the ser verb sois, right? Because it's kind of an identity. Sois came from here. You all, right? You all are. Vosotros sois for the ser verb. Sois means you all are. Alright, sois estudiantes. Are you students? They are tall. Again, tall is a physical appearance, right? That's permanent. So you say ellos son altos. Ellos and son. Son we are using from it comes from the ser verb. Son means they are. So they are. Ellos son. Okay. Son is are for the they. For they. All right. That is it. So anything that seems to be permanent, right? Like identity, profession, fact, character, identity, physical appearance, we use the form ser. Perfect. All right, let's move ahead. Now we're going to learn how to use the be, that is estar. Okay, so estar is also be in Spanish because there are two be, right? One is ser, which we just learned, and estar is the next. So estar is used for temporary situations, anything that seems to you to be temporary. Okay, we use estar. For example, when you talk about emotion, like I am feeling sad, right? That's an emotion because emotion goes away with the time. You are not going to be sad forever. You're not going to be happy forever, right? So emotions, feeling, like I'm feeling okay, I'm feeling bad. Feelings are like temporary. Present continuous sentences, right? Like if I say I'm dancing, it doesn't mean I'm going to dance forever, right? I'm going to stop at some point of a time. It's temporary. I'm eating. I will stop sometime, right? I am doing some stuff. So always present continuous is always temporary. And location. Now location is always permanent. Like if I say London is in England, that's permanent. But it's an exception. Though it's permanent, location is permanent, still we use the estar form. Okay, that's something you need to keep in mind. So let's use it practically. When I say I'm good, now that's kind of feeling, right? So I say estoy bien. Estoy bien. Estoy means I am, right? So where did it come from? Let's go back here. I am. I am means yo estoy, right? Estoy, I am. Because we are using estar verb, so we're going to use estar conjugation here, all of them, okay? Yo estoy means I am. And are you bored? Now bored is again feeling, because not going to be bored forever. ¿Estás aburrido? ¿Estás aburrido? Okay, estás means are you? Aburrido is bored. Okay, this is a conjugation again. You are or are you? Tú estás. Okay, estás means you are or are you? Second person conjugation of the verb estar. She is happy. Happy is emotion. It's temporary. Ella está feliz. Ella está feliz. Now is esta. Conjugation of estar form. Okay, the third person conjugation. Okay, you can just go back here and see. He, she, is will be ella, pardon, esta. We are going to use this one, right? For the temporary estar is used. Esta means he, she, is. So that's what we used here, right? Ella está feliz. We are sad. Again, it's emotion. Estamos tristes. Estamos tristes. Estamos is we are, right? And it, again, we go back here. We are. Nosotros estamos, right? Nosotros estamos since we are. Now, are you all in the house? Now, this is a location, right? So, we know in location also we use estar form. So, ¿estáis en la casa? ¿Estáis en la casa? Estáis means are you all, okay? Estáis means you all are, alright? See, you all are, vosotros estáis, right? So you just, even if you just say estáis, it means you all are. Putting these pronouns are not necessary, right? As I emit in most of the cases. And they are dancing, right? Dancing is present continuous. It's temporary because we're not going to dance forever, right? Ellos están bailando. Okay, están. Now this bailando means dancing. We'll learn it in future lessons, but here we focus están, right? Are, the form are that comes from the estar. Okay, so it's for they are. It's ellos están. Okay, see here, they are, ellos están. Okay, now I hope this conjugation is cleared. Now, soy means also I am, estoy also means I am, but it's for ser. This one is for estar, right? This all the conjugation is for ser, and this for estar. Both of them means the same stuff, but this for the permanent situations, and this is for the temporary situations. All right, so just remember them well, and we are here. So now we're going to use estar is also used in permanent locations. All right, as I told you, if I say Taj Mahal is in India, now it's a location. Taj Mahal está en India. Okay, está is third person conjugation of the verb estar. Esta means is. Now, though it's permanent, yeah, Taj Mahal is in India, it's permanent, but still we use estar because it's an exception. For the location, we use estar. Burj Khalifa is in Dubai. Burj Khalifa está en Dubai. Okay, same thing. China and India are in Asia. Now, China y India están en Asia. Now, I use están here because there are two. It means it's like we have to use conjugation for they. It's like saying they are in Asia, right? Because there are two. So I use the conjugation of they form. China y India están en Asia. What I'm talking about is this one. They are, ellos están. This form I'm using because there are two countries. Let's move ahead. Now, sometimes what happens when you use ser and estar in the same kind of situation, the whole meaning of the sentence can change. Okay? Yeah. So let's see. For example, if I say él está aburrido. Él está aburrido means, now this aburrido means bored. Okay? Él está aburrido means he's bored. Okay, he's bored because maybe because he still doesn't have a girlfriend. All right, so yeah, he's bored. Okay, it's temporary. This está, we put está here and it gives a sense of something temporary. Okay, now if I say él es aburrido, es comes from ser, right? Third person conjugation. Now it means he's boring. It's like he's a boring person. Now, because I put s here, it put a permanent quality in this. Okay, it made him a boring person. But here when I put esta, it just made put a sense of a temporary situation, like he's bored. I hope you got this, right? It's like he's boring person, maybe because he doesn't drink smoke like me. All right, all right. Now here it sees black, and again here it sees black. Okay, now see the difference. We're using here ella está negra. Now, ella está negra, and here's ella es negra. Okay, see, both of them is she's black, but see what's the situation here. It means she's temporarily black, maybe because she took lots of sun bath, right? She's black temporarily, but here she's permanently black, and black is beautiful. Yeah. So this is the thing, right? When you use the estar form, okay, in a sentence, it brings a temporary quality in it, temporary touch in the sentence. But using the ser verb, it brings a permanent touch in it. All right, and similarly the meaning changes. Okay, and now here note, some people may not like the word negro, so it's better if you always address people with their nationality, like ella es africana or afroamericana. All right, perfect. Alright, here we are again. Now here we have I'm dirty and I'm dirty. So yo estoy sucio means also I'm dirty. Yo soy sucio also means I'm dirty. Okay? Here I put estar verb. Yo estoy means I am, right? Ser I use here. Yo soy means also I am. But see how the meaning changes. here, because estar is it has a temporary touch. It means maybe because I haven't taken bath from long, so I'm dirty. It's like I'm, physically I'm dirty, right? But here, Ser puts the permanent touch in here, and it makes I'm a dirty person because now dirty, I need to be something permanently dirty so I can be a dirty person. I'm a dirty person because of dirty mind, and be careful. All right, so you got this, right? Putting estoy, it makes it dirty for a temporary situation, and soy makes it dirty for permanent situation, right? Perfect. Let's move ahead. Now here, um, we have ¿Cómo está María? It means how is Maria? Again, ¿Cómo es María? It also means how is Maria? Both are exactly the same, but what's the difference? We put different verb. Now it means how is Maria doing currently, or how is she feeling? Okay, and Maria is good, fine. Okay, so answer would be Maria está bien. You can say this way. But here, when I say ¿Cómo es Maria? It means I'm asking how is Maria permanently, her physically, her personality, what kind of girl she is, right? Because Ser brings a permanent touch. So it's like I can answer that Maria is beautiful, tall, and humble. Maria es bonita, alta, y humilde. But here it means a temporary. I'm just asking how is she, right? How is she feeling, or how is she doing? But here I'm saying how is she means what kind of person she is. See, Estar is always putting a temporary touch. Bring something temporary, asking about something temporary. Ser is always bringing the permanent touch, asking something permanent about someone, right? Perfect. So that's all about Ser and Estar. I hope it is cleared, right? Now you can use it practically, keep playing with it. And yes, go ahead and if you like this video, please like and subscribe and have a great day. Thank you.